There was this object discovered in 2017.
On October 19th of that year, Hawaii's powerful Pan-STARRS telescope spotted a mysterious object whizzing by. It was traveling so fast at nearly 200,000 miles an hour, astronomers concluded it must have originated from outside our solar system, the first such interstellar traveler ever detected. It was given the name Oumuamua, the Hawaiian word for scout. About the size of a football field, most scientists believed it was just an oddly shaped asteroid or comet, but not Loeb.
There is some evidence that looks unexplainable, except the most plausible solution seems to me that it's artificially made.
I spoke with him at the Harvard Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics in Cambridge, Massachusetts, in the school's 174-year-old observatory.
At first, astronomers thought, oh, it's just a rock. It's just a comet. Yeah, but there was no cometary tail around it, no gas coming off it. And so it was not a comet, for sure.
Then there was the shape of the object. It's been rendered in illustrations as long and narrow, like a cigar. But Loeb and a few other scientists say it was actually flat, possibly less than a millimeter thick, and highly reflective, much like a LightSail. And it actually sped up and changed its expected trajectory as it slingshotted around the sun.
It was because of reflection of sunlight. Just like when you have a sail on a boat and it reflects the wind, it gets pushed. It turns out that in September 2020, there was another object that exhibited an extra push away from the sun and didn't have a cometary tail. Turns out it was a rocket booster from 1966 that was launched, and we can tell that it's hollow and thin because we produced it. The question is, who produced Oumuamua, this object from 2017?
So you see this as intelligent life?
Yes.
You feel as though Oumuamua is a relic of some past technological advance from some past civilization.
Right. And it may be space trash, it may be something that is not functional anymore. We sent out Voyager 1, Voyager 2, New Horizons. These are probes that were operational when we communicated with them, but
they're gone.
A billion years from now, they will be junk. They will be just equipment floating in space. I look at everything that astronomers do as an outsider, from outside, with a big picture in mind.
That outsider's point of view helps Loeb deal with the mostly negative reactions he's getting from his own colleagues in science and academia.
What is the scientific community's reaction?
Well, there is a lot of pushback.
Oumuamua seems to have been nothing more than a shard of rock.
One of those colleagues is Time Magazine's science editor-at-large, Jeffrey Kluger.
Among all of the possible solutions or explanations for the fact that this rock is accelerating, the least likely of them all is that there's a natural intelligence aboard that's doing the driving.
But Loeb isn't concerning himself too much with his naysayers.
The point is, I follow what basketball coaches tell their team members. Keep your eyes on the ball, not on the audience. So I don't care how many likes I have on Twitter. I follow what nature tells us. The public wants to know, are we alone? I get enormous, extraordinary attention to the book. And I say, if the public is interested and the public funds science, isn't it the obligation of scientists to discuss this topic and research it?
Oumuamua has long left our solar system, but Loeb believes more objects like it will eventually be discovered. For now, his search for alien life in the cosmos continues.
Thanks for watching this video. Click here to watch our playlist of short, credible videos covering all aspects of the UFO phenomena. And make sure you subscribe to catch the new content posted every week.